So just some of the specific benefits that we have found from our children in leadership. Um, One thing that our congregation voiced is that um, they remind us that there's not one way to worship. So when folks come into our congregation who maybe have different needs, are worshiping in different ways, we're kind of already primed to be okay with somebody who maybe makes extra noise, somebody who's needing to move around a little bit more. We're kind of already primed to accept that. And so that's one benefit from children kind of being fully accepted into leadership. Um, Adults get to learn from the kids. So we had one member who shared that, the kids just shock her with how much information that they understand and how many the questions that they ask. They challenge adults' faith. So we get to hear from them and get to hear, things that they are hearing from a sermon or that they're hearing from scripture. Um, One of our congregation members, Brent, I really loved what he shared. He said, it's a wonderful reminder that God's love and the Christian message is for everyone. It's not just older people telling younger people about religion. We share these gifts. That's a wonderful insight that we see over and over in our services. And I really like that. Just because I do think it's important to remember that there's really, truly a mutual benefit when children are in leadership, that we get to learn from them while they learn from us, and how valuable that is. Um, in the Children's Matter book, one quote I found really powerful was, the character, integrity, and spiritual vitality of the faith community will affect children profoundly. Those who care about the spiritual growth of children will care about the spiritual vitality of the whole congregation. And so again, just kind of going back to when you make efforts to make sure that children are being fully welcomed and included, it just kind of sets you up to offer that same hospitality to other folks who are coming into the congregation.